Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to add an encrypting file system to the right click menu when you right click on an item. So if you want to add an entry to the context menu that allows you to encrypt or decrypt a file, this tutorial will be for you. So we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the start menu. Type in regedit, so regedit. Best match should come back a registry editor. You want to right click on that and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on yes. Now before you do anything in the registry, I would highly suggest that you create a backup of it. So you just would left click on the file tab up at the top left click on export, save it to a convenient location on your computer, and just make sure file name is something you'll easily be able to recognize. So usually the date, if you want to include that in the name of the backup, it's probably a good idea. And export range should be selected to all. Left click on save to save that. And then if you ever needed to go back to the older version of the registry, you just would do file and then import and then just navigate over to it. So pretty straightforward. So once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and expand the HK current user folder. So either double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand the drop down. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Same thing for Microsoft. And now you want to go down to Windows, expand that one as well. Go down to current version, expand that. Expand Explorer. And now you want to go ahead and left click on the advanced folder. And you can see up on the top of our registry editor the path that we are currently on, so feel free to pause the video, rewatch the last 20 seconds or so, or just take note of it, slow the video down, but you can see the path that we followed up here. And anyway, now that we're over here on the right side, you want to right click in a blank area, left click on new, and then left click on dword 32-bit value. You want to call this encryption, exactly as it is going to appear on my screen here. So you want to call this file encryption, ENCRYPTION, context, so CONTEXT, menu, MENU. E in encryption, C in context, and M in menu should all be capitalized, and there should be no spaces in between any of these words. So once you have it exactly as it appears on my screen, you want to hit enter on your keyboard to save it. If we draw this column over a little bit further so you can clearly see it, you want to make sure it's exactly as it appears on my screen here. So once you are done with that, you want to go ahead and double click on it. For value data, you want to change it to 1, so delete the 0 in here, type the number 1, don't spell out 1 like O-N-E, you just want to type 1, like the number 1, space, it should be hexadecimal. The reason I really emphasize this is that the value data really needs to be correct here, as well as the value name. If you mess any of this up, it's not going to work, so that's why I stress it here. Left click on OK as it appears, value data should be 1 here, no other characters. Left click on OK. Close out of here. And now if we go back to the image on our desktop, it could be a file or whatever, doesn't really matter. If I right click on it now, there should be an option to encrypt. So very cool tutorial in my opinion. So there you go, you got an encryption warning here. You guys just follow along the on-screen prompts. So this tutorial isn't really about encrypting files, it's more about just giving you the option to easily encrypt or decrypt files without too much of a hassle. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.